Characteristics of C#. 1. Simple. C# is designed to be easy for the professional programmer to learn and use effectively. 2. Modern. In C#, memory management is automatic and is no longer the responsibility of the programmers. 3. Object-oriented. C# is an object-oriented programming language, thereby providing reusability of existing code and reducing code redundancy. It supports major object-oriented programming features such as data encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. 4. Versionable. C# supports both source and binary compatibility in applications. The source compatibility means that a new version of an application can work with the previous version of the application on recompiling the previous application. 5. Type safe. All dynamically allocated objects and arrays are initialized by 0. C# does not permit unsafe casts. 6. Consistent. C# supports a unified type system which eliminates the problem of varying ranges of integer types. 7. Interoperability. Users no longer have to explicitly implement the unknown and other COM interfaces, those features are built in. C# allows the users to use pointers as unsafe code blocks to manipulate your old code.